In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the request was blocked by the security rules error code 16 or 15 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type time date.cpl. Control panel item, click on that. So here, make sure you are in a current correct date and time. If not, click on the change date and time. Then click on the internet time. Click on change settings. Make sure that you are in this server, or you can try another one and see as to what will work for you, and click on the update now button. Okay, then after that, click on OK, apply, and then OK. Next method, go to the Windows search bar, type internet options. Click on internet options. Internet properties, click on the connections tab. You'll find local area network or the LAN settings. Click on that. Make sure automatically detect settings the button is checked. For the proxy server, this is unchecked, and click on OK. Apply and then OK. And for the additional method, the third method, users reported that this is a very useful fix, is to use a VPN. Okay, so use a VPN and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.